Hello guys and girls, and welcome to a new video on this channel. You see, doctors have a stethoscope and car lovers have a battery tester. That's the way it should be, for sure. Topdon has a good reputation in the auto branch, and that's why we went for the Topdon BT200. The goal is to do a quick test with the battery tester. I'll put it aside for a moment. So it is the goal to do a quick test to see if the battery is good, not to do extensive tests. That is not the goal in this video. You can do a lot more with it with this tester, and that's what we will discuss further on in this video. We will do that in a short way. You could of course use a multimeter to read the voltage of the battery, and that would give you a direction if the battery is good or not, but you never are sure with a voltmeter, and that's where the battery tester comes in. So with a battery tester you are more sure about the condition of the battery, and that's very important, especially when winter comes. That's a dangerous time for the batteries. So that's where the tester comes in handy. So let's crack on with the video now. So we have here an old battery coming from the Mercedes. It is an AGM battery, 800 amps, and we are going to look if it is still a good one. Positive clamp here, and a negative clamp here. It immediately lights up. Battery tests. Enter. AGM. Okay. CCA 800. Okay. And testing. So it needs replacing. 6.28 milliohms, internal resistance, healthy 24%, but it is only charged for 2%, and it has still 12.01 volts. So we are going to recharge this battery and we will see what it tells us then about the condition of this battery. So now the battery is fully charged, 14.5 volt, and it's completely full. Now we are going to do the test with the Topdon BT200, what it says. .800 testing. Replace it. Healthy 43, charge 100, so it's fully charged, and it has 12.77 volts according to the Topdon. Internal resistance 4.73 ohms. Well, oh well, we will have to replace it. It's completely gone. So we are going to do a battery test of the Range Rover. Enter. Regular flooded. CCA 830 amps. Okay, good charging. Health 62, 38%. So we are going to charge it and then come back here. So after half a day of charging, let's see what's the result right now. Check connecting. Okay. Battery tests. Regular flooded. 850, I believe. No, 830. Testing. Power too low. You won't believe it. Let's do that again. Disconnect it. Reconnect it. Replace. So the battery is toast. Okay. Bear in mind, this is not a sponsored video and I bought it on Amazon. What can it do besides testing the battery? It can also do a charging test, a voltage test, a cranking test, and an accurate analysis. It can test 12-volt batteries and 24 batteries, and from 100 to 2000 cranking amps. It can test the batteries regular flooded, AGM, gel and EFB batteries. This is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Consider subscribing if you didn't already. Hit the bell icon to get notification of all the new coming videos. And most of all, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.